In just 4 months, a brand new YouTube channel called Nick Invests has exploded onto the scene. According to vidIQ, it's already pulling in nearly $13,000 a month, and the numbers are insane. Over 8 million views and closing in on 112,000 subscribers, all in just 120 days. But here's where it gets even crazier. Every single video on this channel is hitting hundreds of thousands of views, and the top performing one has already reached around 800,000 views. For a channel that's barely 4 months old, that kind of growth is almost unheard of. So what's their secret? You might be surprised. Nick Invests is creating ultra-focused, bite-sized financial education videos, each one breaking down a single money concept at a time. Saving habits, investing basics, money psychology, and simple wealth-building frameworks. Every video uses clean visuals, minimalist animations, and crisp narration, making complex ideas feel simple and actionable. And here's the kicker. There's no fancy editing magic behind their success. The most viral videos rely on straightforward visuals, clean on-screen text, and a direct conversational voiceover. That's it. It's easy to copy, but only if you follow the process exactly. Miss one step and your results will look completely different. I also dropped a full Notion document with every prompt, every tool, and every workflow I used, so you can copy it step for step, grab it, and follow along. If you want it right now, like this video and comment Nick below, and I'll send it to you instantly. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact steps to create videos just like Nick Invests using free tools and simple workflows. Follow this method and you can replicate this style in your own niche efficiently, ethically, and without expensive software. Now, let's break down the channel. Nick Invests has been posting consistently for roughly 4 months, uploading every single day. His videos run 20+ minutes, which is perfect. Not only is he in one of the highest RPM niches, but the longer format allows more ads, maximizing revenue. And in just a moment, I'll show you how to create these kinds of animations for free using AI. Don't worry, it's not as hard as it looks. Nick wouldn't be able to post daily if it weren't streamlined and simple to produce. Step number 1, prompt instructions. Start by opening the Notion template I linked in the description for free. Open the very first prompt and copy it with a single click. Then head over to ChatGPT and paste it to generate YouTube channel name ideas. For example, Nick's channel is Nick Invests, so mine could be Alex Invests, but you can pick anything that fits, even a random name or your own. Step number 2, create your character. This is a key step. Open Google Gemini, it's free, click on Create an Image, then return to the template. Copy the character prompt and paste it in, changing only the placeholder variables. Describe your character and make sure to also download the reference image from the template so Gemini generates a similar style. For mine, I described a young guy with yellow hair in a blue suit, and the result was amazing. Step number 3, generate unique video ideas. Instead of copying titles, we'll use a smart strategy. Grab the idea prompt from the template and download the screenshot of the target YouTube channel provided. Upload that screenshot to ChatGPT, paste the prompt, and let the AI analyze the channel. It will give you 20 unique video ideas. Pick the one you like best and we move on. Step number 4, write long, unique YouTube scripts. Go back to the template, copy the script prompt, and paste it into ChatGPT. Insert your chosen video title into the placeholder. I'll take my idea, paste it in, and hit Submit. The AI will generate the full script for me, with length nearly matching the original channel's videos. If it feels short, simply ask ChatGPT to add another 200 to 500 words in some sections until it reaches approximately 20 minutes. Step number 5, generate the voiceover. With the script ready, it's time for the voiceover. You can record your voice for free or use any AI-powered voice generator such as VoiceMaker or Speechify, or you can use Google AI Studio completely free. All links are in the description, but for this niche, I prefer ElevenLabs.
The voices sound extremely natural and professional. Inside ElevenLabs, go to text-to-speech, select a voice, try a few to find your favorite, paste your script, and click Generate. In under a minute, your professional AI voiceover is ready to download with a single click. Step number 6, create the visual prompts. Now that the voiceover is done, it's time for visuals. Copy the video image prompt from the template and paste it into ChatGPT. Insert your full script into the placeholder. ChatGPT will automatically generate image and video prompts for each line, describing exactly what should appear on screen. Step number 7, generate images and turn them into videos. Go to Whisk AI, link in the description. Click Enter Tool, upload your character image under Reference Image, then paste the image prompt from ChatGPT. Choose your image ratio and click Generate. Within minutes, Whisk AI produces a great result. Download it when ready. Next, turn the images into videos with Grok. Sign in, go to Imagine, upload your image, paste the video prompt, and click Generate. In under a minute, Grok creates smooth, high-quality video clips. Repeat for all images. Step number 8, edit the video. Finally, it's time to assemble everything. Use any editing software you like, but I recommend CapCut. Simple, powerful, and beginner-friendly. Upload all your video clips and audio files. Add the voiceover to the timeline, cut unnecessary pauses, then add each video clip to match the narration. Trim clips as needed for perfect alignment. Enhance visuals using adjustments. Add a custom layer and tweak saturation, temperature, contrast, and more until the video looks clean and professional. Then generate captions by clicking Auto Captions. Customize the style using the available templates to match a clean Nick-style look. Finally, export your video in your preferred quality. And that's it.
Have you ever signed up for a free trial, fully convinced you're going to cancel it before the charge hits? Maybe it was a streaming service, maybe a stock research tool, maybe some premium budgeting app because you were feeling motivated that day. And then 3 months later, you're scrolling through your bank statement like, why is Apple charging me $14.99 every single month? And for what? So you Google the subscription name and realize, oh, right, that free trial I said I'd cancel. Here's the thing. This isn't you being irresponsible. This is a system, one that companies have engineered very deliberately. And while you think you're the one getting something for free,
You've created a Nick-style video in minutes. And that's the system. No face, no excuses, no expensive tools. Just a proven framework that took Nick Invests from 0 to over 100,000 subscribers in 4 months. So don't ask, does this work? You already know it does. The real question is simple. Are you going to execute or keep watching other people win? Follow this process. Stay consistent. Don't overthink it. That's how channels like this are built. If this helped, like the video, subscribe, and comment Nick below, and I'll send you every tool and template I used. See you in the next one.